Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts.
Mjolo onyesadinga ka itso wa tseba why? They date got desperation, not out of love. I'm disturbed because this is a very sensitive issue mkhulu ne.
Kufanele ukuthi abantu abadala bayilandelele unless ke kune situation yokuthi vele ubaba hathibiwa ngokuthi nje akatsibiwa at all.
Khona ama situation ukuthi umuntu abe nomama ubaba angabi present.
Nalento eyenzakele kumama iphinde yenzakele kuyenaye athole umntwana out of wedlock or kwabantu, so it's a case that elandelana kanjalo.
Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Phathanani, I am your chef, and of course I'm not alone. I'm joined by beautiful people. Darlings, good morning.
So
Woo, I just love it, Tokozani. Oh guys, but you know what, because I don't want to waste time. Please introduce yourself. Who are you, where you from, and what's special about you? And then you'll follow.
Okay. I'm Koko Maschaba. People know me as Mothupa Mahlasela. I'm from Glenridge, extension 16, Thokozani.
Di khanya bana ba badimo. Ona ke nkgono Malewatle from Joburg South. I am pleased to be here and thanking Chef Phathanani for having us.
Thank you.
Okay, mina ngukok manzuza Tablamans. Ngiyathokozisa. Mina ngibuya eSouth of Johannesburg. Kahle sibuya endaweni eyi-1. Inyanga yethu le, mina nginyanga yakhe. Umntana wami lo. So kahle 3 generation.
Wow.
Umntana kwalandela mina, ngicela yena.
Wow, this is gonna be so interesting. But guys, thank you so much for honoring the invitation to come and spend some time with me. I really appreciate you. Please don't think I am taking this for granted. You are welcome. Babugilaba Makaya, it's a new season 7. And let me tell you something, guys. We've got a new segment on this season. As you all know that on TikTok, I'm big now. Thank you. So I will be taking some of the comments and questions from our viewers. Then I'll be reading on set, and my honorable guest will need to answer. But today, we are talking about Ukuzila kwesangoma, Inyanga. We're also talking about ukufa kwenyanga isangoma. And we will talk about Amagobongo and relationship yezangoma.
Thank you.
So, darlings, an overview. What you're understanding, what I just mentioned, so that whoever that is watching the show can be able to process with it.
All right.
Any of you, just an overview before we proceed.
Okay, Chef Phathanani. Inzima into enokwenza nokuzila, because most of us izinto zethu ziyamoshakala, kanti asizange sizile noma asizange sifollowe ama-protocol befanele ukuthi mhlambe as inyanga noma umuntu ofanele ukuthi uhambe ngawo. So all the time, if you are aligned, ukuhamba ngendlela ethize, and then between the line, kube nendlela oyithatha engasiyona, that can like imoshe yonke into yakho. Either normal, as a normal person, either ebunyangeni, especially thina inyanga, you need to go to uhambe ngendlela. You need to follow protocol. Otherwise, ayikho into ezenza ubunyama into ozoyibona.
Yes.
So kubalekile ukuthi sikhulume ngokuzila ngoba is one of the things that abantu abaningi abangakwenzi. Abakwenzi nje, they just siyaphila. Ebunyangeni kunomthetho. You follow umthetho one way or the other. You follow umthetho. Uma ungafollow umthetho, you are doomed.
You are doomed.
Yes.
Relationship, Amagobongo, she already mentioned Ukuzila, and we are still going for my darling.
Yes, kuma relationships as a spiritual gifted person, badimba udumela to have a partner. Abantu banento ukuthi binindlo lami alivumi ukuthi ngibe nomuntu. Ngisinqa or kalbakana hore motho batla to have multiple partners. Asa elelo emutlisela tshila falo. So huba le partner as a spiritual gifted person utlo ba le yena. Whether wa tseba or ha wa tsebe hore you are gifted a partner ke ntho modimo a abetse hore mang le mang a be le yena. So re senya ka lebaka la hore will be framing badimo re badimo ba itse ke lahle o kenke o badimo ba itse ke be le stable, which is false information. Lesedi.
Siyabonga. My darling.
Chef.
Amagobongo.
Amagobongo. There's different Amagobongo.
Okay.
There's not only Amagobongo la ukuthi okay igobongo lesizulu. Kunegobongo lesizulu, kunegobongo lesixhosa, kunegobongo like amagobongo maningi. So kuya ngokuthi lapho thwasele khona igobongo le oyiphuzayo eliphi. Igobongo umthetho wayo vele igobongo bothatha igobongo eneqiniso igobongo laphilisa.
Wow, nizwile ke uqeda ukuchaza manje ukuthi igobongo amagobongo ahlukene. Kudependa ukuthi uthwasa kuphi. Kunegobongo lesizulu, lesixhosa, lesipedi, lesitsonga, lesivenda. Wow, I just learned something today. I didn't know that. And thank you so much for educating me. And then ukhazile nawe lisaid ukuthi ama relationship you can date as umuntu with spirituality or umuntu wesintu.
Lesedi.
Yes. The problem is when people beyifaka bethi idlozi lithi kanti into engekho leyo ngiyayithanda leyo.
Akere jwana omkhulu they know hore badimo ra batshaba and respect them. O tlo fitla wena o tsose badimo ko lelapeng batho ba ko heno they are gathered there. Badimo ba ra maseke third wife because these people ba holetse setsong le bongakeng ba tsaba badimo ba hlompha le badimo. So ba dumela ntho e buang because wena o thwasitse bona ba thwas they don't know how badimo communicate le wena as ngaka. So now you find hore o kenya batho ba heno tsietsing ya hore now ha ba sa understand hore ba ya pele hore ba ya morao ka tsela they've accepted this partner ha sa le hona le o mong so tlisa o mong and then you are confused wena as a human being or as a spiritual gifted person because now we qadile but no so khona khutlela I was lying at first.
Guys, yes, you did talk about Amagobongo, a relationship, and Ukuzila, but we are all talking. You're not going to focus on what you gave review on. We are just talking. I want to go to you. Siyavuma, aykumnandi. Ngiyabavuma nami kusho ukuthi nje konke ku right. Ake sigxile ekuzileni. Kuzilwa makwenze njani? Yini ukuzila? Ukuzila kwenyanga, isangoma nomuntu onganaso isipho sasebunyangeni. Kuhlukana kanjani? Kufana kanjani?
All right, mkhulu. Kilo ibuhlokwa haholo ho mang le mang. Ungaka ha ungaka ungwana o moholo kilo important haholo ka lebaka la reng you are cleansed o hlwekile ha o rapela. O hlwekile ha o lo phahla badimo ba hao. Important ibile e thusa ka hore nako e wena o communicating le badimo ba hao ba phahlang ka porapela modimo wa hao ntho ngwe le ngwe e phakisa e etsahale unlike motho a tla fitla a phahla badimo ana le tshilafalo o boli one badimo ba utlwa because aba atumele at all go mothong a le tshila or even spacing sa motho o sa cleaning so o tothola motho yena a hlapile pata o ya ko makhosing a hae ha wa cleaner o no jwang pizza ya motho a sa cleaning o no jwang bana le ntho ya hore because ke dingaka when it's creepy ka random and then you believe o wa sebetsa badimo aba utlwa le tshilafalo in any way hlapa before phahla badimo ba hao etsa sure hore nako o lo cleanelang badimo ba hao ntho ngwe le ngwe e dula accordingly because o ka senke ditaolo wa di beya ka moraraka ya meriana but it's a motlang patient wa kutuza wa rasa like ke disturbance so much disturbance kana ko eo so we important wena as a human being be clean.
Yes. Adding Malewatle. Ngizokhuluma nje ngomuntu nje onormal, ungakhulumi nje ngenyanga.
Okay.
Kuyashona ekhaya. It is believed ukuthi umuntu makashonile automatically rapere lirule litho because umuntu one rephila le yena. So as yena atsamaya aya to the other world, rona ra sana lesififisa high. So kunalento le ukuthi mina ngizogeza ngoba uanti bengimthanda. Noma mina ngizogeza ngoba ubaba wami. No. Uma singabantu bakambatha.
Right.
Noma singabantu bakamthela, rithila fethi kawufela. So, if muthu ole utsamayile and then wena uqetela osahlaphi kapa wena usayethe imietlo utlamele uyethe yahini, that's where when you find uthola muthu ubusebenza kahle emsebenzini. Kusasa uya emsebenzini bakutshela ukuthi hayi yazi umsebenzi uphelile mele uye ekhaya uyohlala kancane. Kanti muthu ole osamhlaphelang uetela pili. Awusatsamaya kolesedini o tsamaya ko lefifing. So it affect whether being Inyanga kapa umuntu normal. You can just wake up o thola bana ba ne ba le right, bana ba ya sekolong, dintho di utlwe ba re ngwana o ile ko sekolong. Utlwe ba re ngwana o limetse ko crash. Can't you know? Ke se di mosele kapa ke motho o tsamaileng. A reng ke tlo wetsetsa di example.
Amen.
Ke tlo kinya lefifing so that nike niyibone lento eyenzakela ukuthi kune ayikho right because mawona mona lesififi wetsa dintho tse sing normal. Akufani nje ne accident normal mo unang le sififi ntho ya teng ya makatsa e batla re lo botsa ka yona ya re tlo ibotsa ka ukuthi kodwa it was not necessary imoto yashayisa kancane kangaka bese umuntu walimala uyayibona kanti ulo ya muntu uthini ngizokwenzela lezi zinto lezi lama episodes ukuze mphume mhlawumbe noma niyasontweni noma kuniye kusangoma niyotholisisa kahle ukuthi inkinga yini bese ke nithola ukuthini kitaba yayo.
Before we proceed, unless you want to say something before
I really want to say something.
Okay, please proceed.
Okay. Nesangoma, like for me, for example, for me, ne nesangoma siyazila, and akuzili sona sisodwa, kuzila nomndeni wonke. Sho ukuthi bokushone umuntu, kushone kusho ukuthi kushone umama wami, or kushone ubaba wami, ne? Umzilo wa wonke umuntu beka wena mntana sekhaya wena bani because of lo muntu loyo isangoma.
Adding on that, Gogo Mahlasela, dingaka di na le ntho hore ba batla o ila ba ya metsing. But aba ili ha tlo tshwara patient. Amakale hore motho ke tseba hore tshebetso e soso ke tseba off by heart even in my sleep ha ke robetsa ke tsa tshebetso so motho tlo fall. A ipotse or abe ignorant. It's because dingaka majority ya bona ha ba ile le di patient tsa bona. They are happy hore no receive tšhelete but ha o tshwantse a ile le patient or motholoko o thwasang ko ena ha ile ba ile only when they want to go to the river because ba tshaba mongametsi.
So they don't respect their patients.
No, they don't. So bona focus ya bona o ila.
Are you involving yourself as Inyanga or you just
I am very very respectful to those people because I know it's as duty yaka but badimo ke bona ba sebetsang ka motho o. So if ke don't respect a patient automatically it is respectful badimba motho o.
Okay.
So what I'm saying Mkhulu is that people should stop ukuzila only when they want to go to the river ngoba saba umnikazi wamanzi but respect your patients. Respect indumba yakho izilele nayo. Akusho ukuthi mele kuzilo ngoba kushoniwe or ukuzilo ngoba manje wena umuntu wakho wadlula wakudala.
So ukuzila is not only Mkhulu.
No. Mkhulu.
Okay.
No mkhulu angeke awukwazi ukuzila noma that's why ngithi hlonipha lo muntu ozela ngoba manje makezela akahambi yedwa utsama libadimba high. So now yes physical come disrespect but when I was kana no badimba bon they always there liena luwena happy. So also ili for patient etlang it means you are disrespecting this person or disrespect badimba how libadimba mtho otling makhosing a how.
That's why Chef Phathanani kunalento ukuthi Inyanga uma kulibele kungena abantu angithi kuza abantu aba different every day noma however. So what happens when Inyanga kunemithi esisebenzisayo. Okay, for instance kuza umuntu osesikhathini usema periodini kodwa une emergency fanele eze kwakho azohlola wena as Inyanga because uyazi ukuthi automatically umuntu lo uyashisa yena sometimes abasho ngeke umuntu azokutshela ukuthi are gidi periodini sangoma ufitla vele noba utlela ntho ayitlela so una le mirana ere sebedisa ha re sebedisa mirana ere tsetsa hore moriti o atlang lona ka ndumbeng ya hao o ska sala ha yena a tsamaya a khutla hora wa tswanteng. We understand it goes back to lento ukuthi even after abantu baqeda ukufika ekhaya maybe a day usebenza abantu aba5 or abantu aba2 usebenzisa mirana wachela the spirit tse batlang tse ba wa o lije una le dintho tsa hao a ke o tseba ba nwetsa. So la nka o sebetsa wa tla wa hlahloba kapa ka o isa metse whatever that we do at the end of the day o tlamele ke mixe meriana ya o leleka whatever e ka ba ikene ine sa tlamele hore ikene. So lenna ezinga ke duty yaka ezinga because ndumba ke yaka
yes
jarata ke yaka. So if you don't do that it goes to that thing ukuthi hayi bengisebenza izinto zami bezivulekile bangivalile kanti no awuvalwanga umuntu because abantu bayangena umunye uqeda ukushonelwa yindoda bayaphuthuma bafuna ukwazi ukuthi what happened automatically umuntu lo ushonelwa.
This is a very difficult
And then
job.
when wenzani?
Yeah.
Bese wena mawenzani ulibele uyabafaka labantu bayaphuma. That's why kunanento ukuthi monthly mawuyinyanga. Get a spiritual cleansing yakho, uzicleanse nawe nje emzimbeni. Ucleanse nekhaya. Hayi ukuthi umele ukuthi uthenge manje imbuzi nani. A simple chicken. Swasho. You know, washulula everything. Hlapa. Dinhlolo tsa hawo. Uyazi ukuthi nalento ukuthi inhlolo iyagezwa. Yahlanjwa ukuthi all the time mawuyibuka. Le indaba lesi kube yizona because sometimes how Thila fethu ndumba litawula
I'm so happy that you touched this. But before I go there, I want to ask a question. Going back, ukuthi uyazila umuyisangoma, awuzili wedwa, uzila nomndeni. Ngifuna ukwazi lana ke. Any of you is allowed to answer this question. Remember ukuthi I brought relationship here.
Yes.
And then you guys answered me. Ukuthi umuntu abantu abayiqamba amanga.
Yes.
They bekusula amadlozi. You understand? So now, uma nginama boyfriend awu5.
Yes.
Njengenyanga. And then sengilahlekelwe. Should I tell them ukuthi bazile mangizila?
Okay, mkhulu asicadela. Isizathu sokuthi ube nama boyfriend ayi5.
Khuleka wena, mina ngazisho.
Alright.
Unama boyfriend ayi5. Ulala nalo, unana nalo. Wonke umuntu unama spirit that he or she is carrying. Already, Utsila fethu.
100%.
So,
All right. Utsila fethu so. You are untrustful, unfruitful to yourself. You okay? There's never a day. I never ubazwetsa hore ke na le lona le 5 in
Obvious.
no, you know why I'm asking this question, guys? We should not just pretend as if things like that, they don't happen. They do happen. And guys, we are in a generation where Inyanga nezangoma asihlonipheki manje. Sijiva nabo emaklabheni, siphuza nabo utshwala. So since I'm a one night stand, let's not, do you understand? We do one, sometimes we fool each other.
We do.
So I just wanted to understand on that. Should I tell them? And then what if monaba ziding zilanget? What's gonna happen?
Okay, cool. Ma umuntu wabantu abadala. Uzoba nomuntu okumuntu wakho. Uyahamba uyamakhosini ahenu. Bokhona le bontatemolo wethu wamthetho. Mthetho ke allowance ya hore this person ga mtsiba hore o tlo kopana le yena sexually. Okay, sharp. Mom accept. This person, it's easier because when I learn mthetho. Hore o etseng o mo jutse hore o tsa kengena le bothata bo so a re zile. And then motho a yo badimong o tlo batla hore re zila kanjani. So how dingaka if molao or etsiba molao you can say wena razila kamele a re kopane sexual. Not even if a re kopane sexual motho a gona o ila ka pelo. That's respect. Motho a itse ka pelo a ka se budipotse snacks ko mothong o mong. Motho a itse ka pelo o na le lerato and o na le wena on the same level. Akina le wena on the same level but spiritually ra ila or sexually ra ila ho thusa eng still it's incomplete. So it is important for motho wa moya hore a tsebe hore okay sharp ke na batho ba 5 ba etsang ha ba itse next instead wena o thwala wonke la mathunzi wa letha go.
Okay.
So akukho important ukuthi nabantu ba 1000.
Hey, kodwa siyakwenza mntana ekhehla.
Ne out of order.
Ufuna
Yeah, yabona futhi leyo. Yabona leyo. Okay. You find ukuthi most of the time abantu abayinyanga noma whether mhlambe ugobela. Asukaningi uzothola ukuthi umuntu uyajola. Ake sibeke nje kanjalo. Akujoleki.
What are they doing? Are they nibbling?
Akujoleki chef. Uyazi why ngisho kanjalo? You find yabona umuntu ngempela umuntu esithi idlozi lingenile kuyena. Kuba nzima ukuthi ajole. You know why? Because basaba yona lento le. Yokuthi uzobuna ba u7. Angithi bese ngapha abantu abadala bakunikeze ini umsebenzi. That's why nje ungathi uyabhekisisa majority mujolo warinyisa. Simply because ababathi yona yewu ya ujolile bathi ba7 but because umuntu akere ngenzeka ukuthi nginayo oyi1 bese ngihlangana nabanye bathi nje yazi lento nje bekayisho kumemali wathi ukuthi for what
And benifuna ukwazi vele ukuthi kungani umjolo unyisa spiritual people like that. And warinyisha. And at the same time, before you proceed, please, I'm not trying to undermine.
Yeah.
Most spiritual people, they're powerful and successful. But amadoda wabo, awa guys.
That's a good one. Mjolo onyisa dingaka o tswa why? They date ka desperation, not out of love. Because baba ituba ke tsamang di bona re ya ko moketeng bana di partners. And then I find extra kwa ana partner ba jola. A hona lerato, it's desperation. Hence ba tlo dula ba nyisea ke mjolo. They date out of desperation. They are desperate, I don't want to lie. Okay. This is a point that I'm going to give back to that dating out of desperation. O motho a sa understand why yena a sa joleng. Una le motho o tshwereng ke sedimo. Senele ka sezulu ba re ke mpohlo. Understand? So mpohlo e tswa ko wena. So now because motho ha fitse ko sedimo or ha etsetswa certain rituals tsa hore abe sedimo se right. O tlo etsa bona. O tlo etsa story.
In short, bathi unedlozi lengwenze.
All right.
Yini idlozi lengwenze manje?
Idlozi lengwenze yileli dlozi lalikhona ekhaya. But somehow lo muntu lo washona angashadanga. So uma seke fika ngale ngoba akashadanga akanazi izinto zokuthi okay wena washada unomfazi nabantwana mase ke buya uphatha wena lo okuthiwa unedlozi bese angena kuwena. Mase kangena kuwena whoever ofikayo athi uyajola nawe noma ufuna ukuqhuba something nawe uma phambili cut yimi umuntu wasekhaya akusumuntu angaphandle. So in order for you ukuthi umjolo ungasinyisi sikhuluma nje zazi
This is very interesting. Yes.
In my knowledge, ngiyazi ukuthi beyiseyinjalo i-situation, that's when we get abantu ababias.
Yes. Okay.
That's when you get ukuthi idlozi lami engiyithwasile ithande umuntu wesifazane because benganasifazane beyenzani ezwana naye isaphila.
Idlozi lami
Ngcemkhulu.
babukela mamakhaya nizile namhlanje ngifunde idlozi asisho sababili idlozi
Lengwenza.
namhlanje ngifunde ngedlozi lengwenze. We are learning every time kuMantshis and Thoughts. Thank you so much. And I think I still need more, but not now. Yes, when time goes on.
Yes.
Because this is very interesting. And I think a lot of people, they will be pleased to learn about idlozi lengwenze.
Yes.
Okay, asizeni lana ke manje. Ngifuna ukwazi ke manje ke la. I want to read a story for you guys.
Okay.
Then I want your thoughts. I would love to talk about family homophobia. My family rejected me my whole life, and I had to find my own way. And I would love, I would love to chat about imisebenzi Imbeleko and how important they are for us as Black people. So it's fine. What's your thoughts on this thing that I just read? Basically, lo muntu lona ufuna ukukhuluma ngembeleko. So your thoughts when it comes to Imbeleko. And please, if you can just answer as you are answering this person, not me. This person mentioned Imbeleko and homophobia.
Okay.
And being rejected in the family.
Okay. There's a saying that says you can choose friends but not family. Number one, but who are rejecting are very, very heartbroken and toxic towards other people. Which is interesting, right? Oto twasisa batho as ngaka and you find bana ba twasang. Sometimes bana ba bangata. Or even if only one, this person has forever been rejected. So even if wena olingaka utla huyena in a form of showing lerato huyen, wa reject. Because all the time, saloko defense mode. And ha hlokomele hore o attacker or o lematsa batho ba tlang ka tsela e right ho yena. Okay, a se fault ya o rejectile because number one, ha ona motho a choosang hore nna ke batla ba gay o batla ba lesbian. Le Bible ya shore o entse motho ka sebopo sa hae. So now, when you reject motho o phelang le ena lefatsheng but o accept Modimo, it doesn't make sense at all. O reject motho o tsebang o wena mo tswetseng as a mother or as a father, but you claim hore wena o rata Modimo or o acceptile Modimo. So already we contradict. Okay. Number one, ha hona motho a choosang hore nna ke batla ba bisexual or ke batla ba lesbian or gay. Ke tlholeho e motho a hlaileng ka yona. Arena information e correct. That is why it's important to linga ka kene school. Sharp. O tlotsa about the biology, o etse the science and all those things, and then you understand better hore okay sharp motho ha le so hona di hormones tse sa balancang. Or hona le hormone e leng ko hodimo e nngwe e fatshe. So it is very important as ngaka se ke bola dingaka hona no accept everybody atlang le tlwele ho accept motho because o tlilana le tšhelete and then because na le tšhelete yena ke tlo mthwasisa or because hana tšhelete o batla hore bana ba bang ba ithute le hloyo ka yena. Una le batho ba thwasang ho le difficult for bona. Una le tšhelete o patala everything that ngaka e batlang o ba dimbareng a etse, but because o rejectwa ke batho ba phelang le bona ya mo destroy spiritually. So acceptance is very important towards other people. Luana, the other time, if it happens over in this situation, we're going to accept okay, I'm in this situation. But if we're going to accept a situation, already you don't accept yourself.
Chef,
That was touching.
you spoke about Batswadi accepting ngwana being hore ngwana o bio kapa o ke lesbian kapa gay. Ke tlo bua ka nna, can I speak about it now?
Not a problem.
Because ngithanda ukukhuluma ngento engiyaziyo eyenzakalayo. Uyabona? Akekho umuntu wazi kusasa ukuthi kusasa kuzoyenzakalani. Uyabona mina nginabantwana abawu2 from different relationships. I'm known njengomuntu othanda abantu besilisa everywhere I go. Kodwa ngezimo noma how things turned out ngigcine sengingasathanda nomuntu wesilisa, but in fact ngathanda nomuntu wesifazane. Not because mhlambe you know how they babeka lezi zinto zokuthi hey umuntu ushawe umhlaba that's why now esephumile emadodeni. Kunalento ukuthi zazi ukuthi ubani.
Yes.
Okokuqala mina ngike ngarealize mina ngiyi1 ukuthi mhlawumbe laba bantu engihamba nabo which is amadlozi wami banalento ukuthi abafuna ukuthi ngenze i1 2 3 4 5 6 7 lesicede ukukhuluma ngayo. Sengizithola manje ngingena la because umsebenzi wami omkhulu ngiwugwebela ngiyathwasisa. Each and every day ngihlala abantu abawu5 abantu abawu6 abantu abawu2 nje impilo yami njalo akunala ngizongithola nginganathwasana. So idlozi labona ukuthi lo ngoba sifuna ukumnikeza umsebenzi uzogijima angena house to house because sometimes nomuntu straight kahle these days akasekho. You understand? Ngoba wena ungaba straight but the person othandana naye bese angabi straight.
Yes.
So for abazali ukuze ba understand lento enguyo, it was not easy because even today I still look them in their eyes and I feel like but ngwana rona ushadane. You know, like ngiyababona baba nje ngiyambona make ngibhekile mama ukuthi but because ngizazi ngabahlalisa phansi and ngabatshela ukuthi whether niyangirejecta noma niyang-accepta, fact remains ukuthi mina lokho eningibizela kuko akungijabulisi noma kuyangihetha. Ngicela ningiyekeni ngiye la ngijabula khona. Uma nginenkinga esifazaneni ngizobuya nginitshele nginale yami esifazane yenzeni iyangihlula and ningangijaji nithi ubusebadodeni wabuyela bafazini imina lento kimi ngiyekeni ngibe happy as long as le ndoda ibingihetha ngaya kule yesifazana yangijabulisa. Ngihappy chef.
Yes.
Yes. I remember when she came. Oh, she's so waka. Utapola.
Yes, sorry.
What are you, Papa? Me. I'm like, so problem is okay, I'm the loudest mother, spiritually and biologically. My kids know. So now, I think it made it easier for Yenhore. Abe who she is. When she was dating, but she would cry day and night. Okay, she comes to me, Mena, ibile ke na le relationship le motho wa mosadi, and so na le motho wa ka re happy, and like non-test story, is this person going to accept or one reject or one disown? I'm like, it's okay. Because I still stick to a point of Bible and nakibalang. So every one of us only part engileng.
True.
So I accept a dirty patient, but I reject my daughter. That's not going to happen. Mawuqeda umreject abantwana abaningi bayazibulala because abazali babo bayarejecta. Makaqeda ufuna ukukhala azoblame abantu ukuthi bamthakathula umntwana wazibulala kanjani. Basayicheck, introspect how le muntu. Introspect. As a human being, you've got your mistakes, you've got flaws. And we accept how accept as who you are. But as an adult or as a person or as a parent, or reject someone now and go next door, very fine.
Yeah. It's like that.
Inyanga is matwasa wabo, but because they don't have money, but somebody else. But
But is it possible that you can leave your ungashiya abantwana bakho laba bathunyelwe kuwe uhambe uyofundisa abanye abantwana ushiya laba ngoba abekho right financially? Is it possible?
It is possible.
Wow.
Because Inyanga, I understand ukuthi ubizelweni. Awulwazi ubizo lwakho, athi bipitso ubitso nkayona. You think more ukuthi litso batwana nichelete. Or you want to set a level or a bar ka batwana nichelete. But they are very, very wise mkhulu Phathanani. I would teach motho snang next a grasp everything.
It's okay.
I grasp everything like a sponge. Uyo ko motho o snang ona le chelete o batla mo ruta but o sa kena next because kelelo nya ile no dlala chelete. Le reka le rato la badimo which doesn't work at all.
So sisendabeni Imbeleko. Angithi Imbeleko isintu esenziwa emakhaya. For example, ngumbatha mina. Ne? Isintu lesi sembele.
Proceed.
Okay. Isintu siyenzelwa Imbeleko besizo introduce emadlozini. Bo umntwana majority bathi
camera look to the camera.
okay. Bo umntwana
Imbeleko qala kumbeleko.
Oh, Imbeleko.
Yebo.
Ngesintu ne thina ekhaya. Sikhulumele esintwini. Normally besiyenza kunemvu or kunembuzi ebakhona uaccepta lo mntwana omusha ovelile emndenini. Kulapho bathi umntwana omusha brings joy emndenini. Angithi Imbeleko le sesiyoxhumana nama ancestors. Sokhuluma ngalo mntwana ovelile. Simenzela ini? Simenzela Imbeleko. Imbeleko kumvuma emadlozini wakambatha, wakashandu. Like samkhwelezela, siyamvumela kuwonke ini izinyanya ezakuphi ezasemambathi.
Okay, ngitshelana ke. What anyone is allowed to answer this. Okay, you explain ukuthi Imbeleko yini. Nizwile baba kuloba emakhaya ukuthi Imbeleko yini. Sisaqhubeka. Okay. I want to, because I think you were I'm still coming to you. You were still trying to rap what you were saying. I don't know. Let me just allow you to rap it, then I go back to her. Bekukhuluma ngokuthi abanye abantu basebenzisa imali ukuthi if unganayo imali they can live. My question was like ukuthi ezinyanga ziyakushiya ziyothwesa
Yeah.
Yes, you, and if you can rap that
then, but not spiritual growth. For me as ngaka it was bana since 2013 till now, I've got so much joy in my heart. Angwana atsiba last na next. But when I tell them that thing, but bribe and get information about dimba sebetsa jwang. Ha sebetse jwalo. Dingaka di tlo leza tjhelete. Ke ngaka ke batla tjhelete or ke motho a re tlole bongaka ke motho batla tjhelete. You come, you give money, I'll take money. But I cannot transfer the information that I have if you are not willing to accept or absorb information o ko fang yona. So yes, hona le ntho re bitsang bohlale ba bongaka o ba bitsang bohlale ba bongaka. Ngaka khona o tswa mbo a se bana ba se ba rutanisa because financially ba mnati. Aye ha mang because le yena azange batla o thwasa lefehlong o na batla ho jola o batla o ya msebetsing a sa batla respecta melao ya badimo. So one ona le mathwasa o bitsa one o sna ntšhelete gore a tlo take over. So they are gambling with people's lives.
But is it fair?
It's not.
Okay, thank you so much. Let me proceed to Gogo. Gogo, sengibuyile kuwena.
Thokozake.
Ngicela ukwazi lana ke Gogo ne. Ukuthi imbeleko ibaluleke ngani kumuntu ophilayo.
So
And uma imbeleko ingenziwanga iletha ini kuloyo muntu loyo ophilayo. That's number 2. Number 3, if imbeleko angenziwelanga and then amadlozi ayangibiza ukuthi ngenze umsebenzi wayo, in-affecta kuphi lapho? Any of you can answer, but you can start, Gogo.
oh, okay. Ngiyabonga Khehla ukuthi uyiraisile leyo ndaba le. Yeah. Siba ne situation yabantu abangayenzanga imbeleko. Bebakhula. Because normally umntana omncane from the age of 5 and 6 introduced to the family to ama ancestors wakulonda leyo. So iphinde iphoqe futhi beyifika kulesizathu ukuthi ni umuntu angayenzelwanga imbeleko. Bakafika ngapha ebunyanyeni kulapho simenzela imvuma kufa.
Oh manje eminyakeni yayishintsha akusabi impela soba imvuma kufa.
Iyafana.
Oh iyafana, okay.
Iyafana mkhulu because manje nalana sisamphahlela sabiza amadlozi wakhe ayi4 like yabona samhlanganisa nalapho futhi.
But imbeleko yenziwa kuphi? Khabo mama or khabo baba?
Yahluka ke lapho thina amaXhosa imbeleko siyenzele kabo mama. Lapho ngizalwe khona lapho bathi inkabi iwele khona nemkhulu. Because khona ama situation ukuthi umuntu abe nomama ubaba angabi present.
Yeah. You are going where I want to go. So kuyashisa manje. And ngifuna ama answers. Yeah. Because now ngifuna ukuthi uyichaze uyiqede. Any of you guys, not only ugogo lapha ya. Nani nivumekile. Because ngifuna ukuthi uyichaze ke manje uyichaza la uqeda ukuthi kuyahlukana.
Cha.
Imbeleko.
Injalo.
Uyabona? Khabo mama na khabo baba. Ngifuna ukwazi lapho mawuqeda lapho bese uyangichazela ukuthi ke la uqeda ukuraise ukuthi sometimes baba ngekho present. Uma ngekho present kumiswa kanjani?
It's a very sensitive issue.
Yeah. Can I say something, Rada? Na ke molobedu, ne? Ke mobedu. So if it happens ukuthi umntwana ubaba akekho present, somehow utswalla ko hae. So udirela mosebetsi utsibiso badimo, ne? I never ba wetsetse mosebetsi ha bontate ka baka seboko sa ntate a sa udumela. Ntate a sa utsebe kapa ntate a o hanne. Bukaninga ngithi ukuthi ntate angabi khona isida uya kutsiba ha utsibi kapa o hanne. Angithi. So uthola ukuthi umntwana uhlupha manje yila madlozi ambalekile. Abala ekhaya ba right because umntwana bahlala nabo. Laba abanga acceptang bayeza amadlozi bazokubona each and every day kodwa lelasekhaya limegate lithanda ngeni la. What happens to an individual? Umntwana manje uyaqala izinto ziyabhetha. Sicala nje ebuncaneni esikolweni. Awu concentrate umntwana uyafaila, umntwana uyagula and understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Aze akhule to an extent ukuthi sakangena kuma relationships uyajola. Izinto azihambi kahle. Nalento yenzakele kumama iphindi yenzakele kuwenaye athole umntwana out of wedlock or ngoba into so it's a case that elandelana kanjalo. So Gini kabo mama uma they realize ukuthi unale inkinga lezi and then abakhona ukuthi bangaya ekhaya no kabo baba no bakutrace, they need to do umsebenzi bona edlozini lasekhaya to tell idlozi lasekhaya ukuthi we do not have a choice but to look after lo mntwana, but to thanda lo mntwana and bless lo mntwana because of 1, 2 and 3. Sometimes kunensebenzo uthola ukuthi bathini uyajikiswa ubhekiswa idlozi lasekhaya because vele ubhilonga kuphi ekhaya. So kumele vele kwenze because uma kungenziwa anything nangapha kabo mama ufana nomntwana nje oyihambelayo onganamuntu. So kufanele ukuthi ekhaya kabo mama la idlozi elakuletha khona wenze lo msebenzi ekutheni umntwana asikhona ukumisa ka 1, 2 and 3 because of 1, 2, 3 but siyakwenza manje lokhu kwa 1, 2, 3 ukuze ikusasa lomntwana libe lihle libonakala. You understand? If kunyanzekile noma it's kuyiforced ukuthi fanele leli dlozi la kabo baba litholakala kimo batho abaholi bakena nkothe. They need batho abaholi ba kenele hore ba ke ba tsamaye ho lolukiswa taba ya dulwa fase ya buiwa because ngwana ke a never re ngwana hasaliyo ngwana o teng ha ibe ya phoqa ngwana wa kula kapa motho ntho tsa di sinyele to that extent abantu abadala fanele ukuthi ma step out manje babona ukuthi bona bayilungisa kanjani uma ingalungi ngapha ekase mama kufanele ukuthi abantu abadala bayilandelele unless ke kune situation yokuthi vele ubaba hatsibiwa ngokuthi nokuthi nje akatsibiwa at all.
Mara ukuthi akatsibiwa.
Yeah, makatsibiwa ayikho into esizoyenza fanele ukuthi sedi
I'm disturbed because this is a very sensitive issue mkhulu ne. Una le motho ona le ngwana mara motho tsika rape.
Okay.
Hona le motho o bileng le partner tse 2 aba pregnant a ska tseba hore ngwana kwa mang. A jwetse o araswaka, a jwetse o araswaka. Now the child is fatherless. Okay? Wahola, you get into relationships, hadibi mnati, you are well off, you are beautiful, you are all that a man would want in a woman. Or a woman would want in a man. Uye ko dingakeng di uhlapise di ufutise di etse ntho but still haona progress. Imbeleko re etsa jwang because you don't know who your father is. Ona le mme o se batlong ho hetha hore you are a child ya rape. Or even about we discuss a issue because it will break it down. Ke batla le badimo ka this topic. Ban ba re file matla le tsebo ya hore ona le tshebetso re reng ke o kopanya diboko.
This is sad.
Very sad mkhulu Phathanani. Because mothers don't have relationships with their sons or daughters because of heartaches. Number 2, your mother might know your father, because narata that other guy more than your father. And in this case, there's never a day with Imbeleko. Hence, ke re rata le badimo ba le ba re fa tsebo le bohlala hore o be le tshebetso kopanya diboko. A wona motho batlang ho o ana motho tshitseng hore today kwa tla rounda ko strateng hore ke tswe ka tsela so that ke rape. A wona motho rape and then a phela le yona nicely. Ibhloko. So in this case mkhulu umuntu asimenzele Imbeleko kepha ke re kopanya badimo ba bo mme le ba bo ntate. Because ukathola a very powerful prophet or powerful ngaka everybody ayeko yona.
But papa not knowing the father, because of course we will know the mother.
Right.
How do you bring them together?
Hence ke rona le tshebetso mkhulu e re tsebang as dingaka ho ruetswa eng.
Can you please tell my viewers?
Okay.
We are on the Imbeleko. Yeah. So Gogo Lisedi, please forgive me. I'll say Gogo Mkhulu.
It's fine.
It's explaining. This is so hurtful. But
Very hurtful because batho ba khale ba yentse enorm ya hore o be ngwana ko next door and then ba tleme ngwana wa mo. They acceptile ba phela le yona for the longest time ever ba bang ba ya mabitleng le yona. No be ngwana ko next door but ba o tleme as ngwana wa mo. they had their reasons or ntate wa ka mona sa sebetse or ntate wa ka mona le mosebetsing wa mona le available mosadi a feel lonely, which is very, very, very uncalled for any child that is brought into this world. Okay, sharp. Tshebetso e etsuwang ho memo ba badimo ba ha bontate ba tlo kopana le badimo ba bomme, because o tlo bitswa mobango wa ngwana because badimo ba ka mo ba o baka le ba ka mo ba o baka, and you don't know where to go because o motho, you keep asking your mom, who's my dad, ha ba tlo bua. Hence kere o thola o narata that other guy o feta ntate wa she felt or nata rata if wona no le ngwana wa somebody else o se ngwana ntate o. So tshebetso e teng a ho lo re etsa ka dikgoho because dikgoho di tshwantsha le maibala, which is doves, is a symbol of peace. We are bringing now peace between these ancestors, the maternal, the paternal, into this person's life. Sorry. It's only a person or any person, because now, hey, we live in a generation or lefasina need SEO. So it helps her whole for motho hore adula a consult mkhulu to know hore hantle ke wela kae. Motho o tlo fitla ko wena o botsa hore na ke ngwana wa mang. Ezingaka if to motho tsa ke hantle mme o user surname e wrong. But when I did anger issues, why uthunya mme wa hae, and then ngaka itse you are into trouble but you are trying to help that person. Hence re tsa tshebetso hore ha re kopanyeng diboko, because whether your mother is married or not, ngwana ntate wa hao, you are never your mother's child.
Okay, you know what, Ne? You guys are coming back. I will send the invitation again because there's a lot to discuss. Remember, I showed we've got a certain time. But before we go, not going as yet, I had one of my, I don't like to call fans, I call them manches. One of the manches asked the question, it's a guy. He said, and please help me to answer. So I'm gonna say that and then I'll read something here, then we can just summarize. This manches said the father never been there. The father denied him. And the father is late now. And then what happened? Now the family from the father's side are bothering him, asking him to come because kunomsebenzi wabaphansi okumele wenziwe, and they need him. The father is bothering the family now to go and make things right there. And then now this manches is saying he never been there. Why now? And these people now, because there are things in that family, things are not, you understand? Because of the father, what he did to the manches. So I want you to wrap that for me. That's as I've said, with now I'll be reading some of the manches comment and questions. So the second one, Lisedi, I am reading your comment. Lisedi Chidi, can you please talk about when you are spirituality but your family is not in support? Thank you.
Kopo araba ya Lesedi, Koko.
Okay, then I can
Kopo ya araba ya Lesedi.
Kumunati mo.
I've been wanting to teach people about this.
Okay.
Lesedi is bothered because who's spiritual gifted, the other family have there. We are very naughty as human beings. Ngwana badimo. Ke batla boyfriend e nang le koloi e nang le ntlo, ke batla boyfriend e dulang ko moqashong. But you don't choose or ngwana o batla tswellwe in which kind of a family. That's the biggest mistake e re etsang re le batho, not only dingaka. O kgona ho choose gore o batla boyfriend e jwang, but o sa kgone ho choose tsa ngwana hore a tswellwe into family e jwang. Umzalwane magolo tswela family ya batho ba sebeletsang badimo. If batho mathata ka tsela e mmakatsang, because tshwantse a phethe at home. Ke tlo bua nnete mdimo a ke criticize on anything. Everybody in this world na le badimo. Whether wana o choose a party hore wena o batla ba mzalwane o batla ba born again, ho salang e teng kaofela re na le badimo. So ke mistake e re etsang as people. Ke batla girlfriend e meng hantle e nang di botox e nang le o batla ngwana o tlo tswelwang girlfriending e una family ha e jwang. This child is suffering today because the choices sent on kibatswadi ba hae ne di sa match. Le batho choose batho ba nang ditjhelete di dikoloi or batho ba emeng hantle but o le ba le gona tsola family e feng. So now e ba bothata for this person o sa choose gore ena ba tla tswalwa kae.
Inzima le ndaba yazi.
Ibhlungu umkhulu because kusafara lo muntu ongakwazanga ukukhetha. Asike ukhetha ngokuthi nasifunani. Once you decide ukuthi angisacondomize or angisa-prevent ukuzozalwa umntwana, ngicabangela loyo mntwana.
Ungasicabangeli wena wehla.
And inkinga i-one. Ma umntwana uzo-raise ipoint ukuthi ngiyahlukumezeka. Abakuthathe serious because umntwana uyadelela. But inkinga ukuthi ma ulele wena abantu abadala baza kuwe bakunika ama-instructions then baqala ba re ke ma-devil worship.
Yes.
Ke devil worship jwang e line blood yawo. Ke line blood yawo mtho.
Devil worship. You want to add on this
Yeah,
one?
to
Then
add.
I will give Ukuzila, then we're gonna close.
Okay. And it's also a problem when it comes to utini na ngono ke ngkhon machaba ke okay. And then ngifike endaweni which is ekhaya. I was experiencing that ekhaya where if family takes me as if ngine demoni. Lento abayazi yime ngisifakele or yime ngithandile. You understand that, Kel? And then ukuyenzeka ukuthini bokunjalo abantwana babo babe in the same situation ele ephethe mina namhlanje. La demoni leya seyiphethe mina futhi. And then it happens ukuthi no demoni engkhono ethi really ithule. Ntata how are ayikho le nto le ekhaya. Asiyenzi la ekhaya. Iyasibulala mkhulu futhi ngoba ugcina bathi anxiety, bathi abanye bathi anxiety, bathi depression. Angithi bayibeka kanjalo ngesilungu. Iyasibulala futhi mkhulu ukuthini ungibone ngiso yabona uyangibona ukuthi hayi uyayidla imali ne and then ingene leyo nto le and then ngiwonde. Hayi ukuthi ngiwondisa ukuthi angisana mali, ngwondiswa yile nto le engaphakathi. So abantu bayayichange, bayiflippe, bayenze ngendlela yabo eyabo, angeke umchange umuntu uthi ayijike benge yakho indlela. But mina le ngibonayo mina engidlulile ukuthi bayangibiza ukuthi nginedemoni.
It's very simple, as I said.
Okay. Ngizobuhlungu ile ndaba yokuthi uManchis njengoba ekhuluma ukuthi manje izinto ziyabheda ngale sebayamfuna. Okay. Before sikhuluma ngomanje sizokhuluma abantu abaphansi noma amadlozi wethu bayakufaka ku situation ukuze kusasa lento le izovela ngenye indlela. Because I feel like lo baba lo hands beka ngekho noma emphikile ethi kwakunama reasons vele ukuze azamphike esingawazi thina banamhlanje but it happens.
I love that.
Yes.
That's maturity.
Yes,
On a high level.
Yes. Asas but umphikile ne. So as emphika yena ube senyameni umephika lo mntwana. So uma usenyameni une right okwenza noma yini oyifunayo wayitawula kanoko yahawo. But uma sulele ungasese umana lady noma ukokudabula amanzi usowurobethile abathaba base bawubonisa video jwale yabuphilo urungwanesi wabona ngwana ane uno house aswa hawo kwa jwale ene ngwana o rutle ro fe yena ne rona le ntwe e itseng kapa matla a itseng a ne re wa bona ho ngwana o
Uyozoglulisela
yes. So ka je kwena o phikile ngwana rona re kopa ro khutlela morao o lo etsa nyova deme he
because utlo ema.
Understand? Kopa o khutlela morao o lo etsa nyova deme o ba ngwana rona re a mo batla ene rona ngwana rona o phitse 20 years to 30 years a sa re tsebe re a monyaka. So uzoyenzani uzoba ighost ubuyele efamilini uyohlupha. So mangibuya kumanje manje ngisengikhuluma ngama situation ayenzakalayo sengibuya kumanje umanje uthi mina angeke because ubaba ubengekho khona manje.
Okay, now I love it. I love it. Yes.
Sengiza kumanje manje umanje uthi mina ngizingeni because of 1 2 3 ngine message kumanje nje simple. Mntana edlozi kwenzeke ngesizathu there was a reason ukuthi why baba kufanele ukuthi akuphike ngaleso sikhathi leso. So namhlanje uyabuya you should be rejoicing or ube happy ukuthi idlozi leli lakho liyak-acknowledge wherever lalikhona and then bayamtrapa wherever lalele khona. Because akanakuthula ha khona o jampela ka kwana ngwaneso o tla dula mo jwale diphoso tsena a di entseng a sa phela mantshi jwale di motshwere ka kwana to the spirit world wena so tlamelo se thabela fela gore o lemoe badimo ba ipontshatsa ba ska re jwale ka rena o hlokafetse ebe le wena taba ya hao etsang iyafela. The only thing that when ongazenzela yona iyoto o itshela ukuthi ha ke keni ka taba tsa batswadi either being in le taba ya mme kapa ine le taba ya ntate ba ne ba qabana ka taba tsa bona nna ke kene nowe o ska ithwesa mathata abatswadi ba hao ne ba phila wena o sala mnyana into efela ukuthi ayenze khona manje ukuthini whatever le efela ukuthi isikhathi ukuthi manje ifamily ibhadale lokho beyifana ukuthi ikubhadale yakubhadale if kufanele ukuthi bamenzele lezo imbeleko sekemdala bamenzele lo umsebenzi okumbika bahlabela ihomutsewu kapa ubhadale emalobolo yawo
Manchi this can kwatela he. I want to get to Manchi, not Manchi's ke khutla ko Manchi. Manchi, my man. Mkhulu. As human beings or as people we claim abusive, better all the horrible things. It's together.
Say, Marcos.
It was kai. Ubaba ngamphika uManchi based on ama reasons mama. But because mina now ngina as my son, I'm going to badmouth ubaba. Uzongithanda because I'm present, but I'm present but ngimoshile at the same time. So kotlo lukisa akibole bontati. Una le batho ba without fathers but butata ile bomme. Bomme ba so atipa ka bahaling ne. How to Tom say, who bleed on the next person, which is the child.
Try.
But maybe it's in wrong ways.
I need to cut you, unfortunately.
Please cut me because I'm getting too emotional.
Because it will never end. Manchis and thoughts.
Okay,
Proceed.
Manchi in short. Ibali sorry. Okay. Because I was in my bag. I ain't on that happy. I still say, Abu mama are toxic guys. And I say, Fitla, I'm a mother. I know.
But for the future of abantwana bakho and ongoing,
yes.
And then if we if you are the prince, you're supposed to be running around. Let him run around Manch.
And also, it's a way of him saying, I am sorry for my absence.
Wow. On that note, Babugela Makaya, I hope you enjoyed this episode because I really had fun with my beautiful goggles, kulus, gobelas, you can name it. Yeah. And then Bazwilege, Sikulmela Imbeleko, Sakuluma Amagobongo, Sakuluma relationship. And Agapeli, Manchis and Daughters a series. I can still call other guests to come and talk to me about the same topic. Or I can decide to call you back. But what I want to say today, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Manchi, I hope you heard them. And of course, we're not going to force you to take their advice. Everything is on your hand.
Takes time.
Lisedi,
Khanya.
I hope uzwile mntana sekhaya bakhazile and I hope ukhazelekile, but this I can ask other guests as well just to get more clarity, but I think what they answered was mouthful. So on that note, before I go, I'm going to give you like 30 seconds just to give you advice or anything that you want to say to my manches. There's the camera.
Mothupa Mahlasela, Kokmashaba. My advice to my favorite guest is Manchis and Thoughts. Good thing learn to accept amaphupho, phahla mntana wedlozi. Khuluma nabantu abasekhaya, hlanganisa and uqole. Thokozani.
Keletso ya ka ho lona bana ba badimo, bana ba lesedi, bana ba kganya. Ho bohlokwa hore motho a hlahlobiwe. Hobane o ka etsa tshebetso sa hlahlobiwa o bo re ngaka ha e sebetse. So ha re qala ka root kapo mothapo wa bothata bo leng teng re kgona alafa di branches. Kganya.
Thokozani uDr Manzuza ngwanaza waDabulamanzi. Umlayezo enginawo namhlanje uthi before ujaja omunye umuntu noma before ucabanga ukuthi into akusiyona, linda idlozi lakho kube yilona elishoyo ukuthi 1 and 2 and 3 akusiyona. Yeke lande into ukuthi manicede ukuphuma emaphehlweni bese niyangena niyabuza ukuthi umuntu ukwenzele kahle. Buza idlozi lakho, phahla lizoza kuwe lizokutshela ukuthi yebo ku wrong noma ku right. Ningaphumi idlozi lingakakhulumi. Thokozani.
Wow. Nibazwile ke bachazile okuningi what I just picked now. Lalela idlozi lakho. Noma ngabe kuthiwa uphuma ephehlweni. If you want to consult idlozi lakho. Guys, thank you so much. I want to thank Black Studios, my team. As you can see, Ugu sound, ne? Angu sound. You are doing a great job. I'm getting beautiful reviews about the sound, and thank you so much. And I want to say thank you to Meth and Co. Guys, please follow them. Right. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. This is us. And guys, please, when I send an invitation again, please do avail yourself because there's a lot. You still need to educate. I am busy writing new shows every day, every night. On that note, let's do a shares. Thank you so much. It's a wrap and goodbye. I had so much fun.